painters who prefer an acrylic primed panel with a really smooth finish, choose the Artist Panel Primed Smooth, which is pre-gessoed and ready to use. In order to prepare a surface this smooth, you'd have to apply layer upon layer of gesso, sanding between each of them. The Artist Panel Primed Smooth lets you spend your time creating instead. The Artist Panel Primed Smooth surface is a semi-absorbent, acid-free ground that helps oil and acrylic painters achieve the finest details and cleanest wipes. But it's perfect for a wide range of media as well. Use it with inks, collage, acrylic pouring techniques, or graphite pencils. It's also a great base for mounting canvas, paper, photos, and giclées. The Artist Panel Primed Smooth is available in sizes from 4x4 to 18x24 inches and in 1/8 and 3/8 inch flat formats, as well as 7/8 and 1.5 inch cradle depths, supported with solid pine wood cradles. The cradles are completely primed too, perfect for when you want to wrap your image over the edge. The 3/8 inch flat panel even has a keyhole, making it ready to hang.